Let's turn our attention to the court, where the Director General of the Labour Party Presidential Campaign Council, Doyin Okupe, on Monday paid a 13 million naira fine after a money laundering conviction. Mr. Okupe was found guilty of receiving over 200 million naira cash from former National Security Advisor Sambo Dasuki by Justice Ijeoma Ojukwu. The court sentenced the former aide to 2 years imprisonment with an option of 13 million naira fine. Judiciary correspondent Celestina Ira reports.
The Money Laundering Prohibition Act provides that no individual or organization shall receive any sum above 5 million naira and 10 million naira respectively without passing through a financial institution. Justice Ojukwu held that there is no evidence that the money received by Mr. Okupe passed through any financial institution. She also noted that the NSA was not a financial institution, and even if the president said to have authorized the funds, he did not say the money should be paid in cash, in violation of the Money Laundering Prohibition Act. The court found the first defendant, Doyin Okupe, guilty in counts 34, 35, 36 to 59. The defendant was not found guilty in counts 1 to 33 on grounds that the prosecution failed to establish a charge of money laundering and a criminal breach of trust and corruption against the NSA. Mr. Rohaye, citing Section 310 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act, urged the court to stand down the matter to enable him call witnesses that will attest to the good character of Mr. Okupe. The court heard from a witness who pleaded with the court for leniency. Justice Ojukwu subsequently sentenced Doyin Okupe to 2 years imprisonment on count 34 with an option of a fine of 500,000 naira. The court also sentenced him to 2 years imprisonment on count 35 to 59 with an option of fine of 500,000 naira. The court noted that it refrains from making any custodial order, but the convict is the property of the state.
The sentence should run concurrently, and in the alternative, that it should pay 500,000 naira each in each of the count for 26 count charge, in which he was found guilty of collecting money in excess of 5 million. And the court has said that he has up to 4:30 this afternoon to sort out himself by way of paying the fine, if he can. But if he cannot pay it, then he will now be taken to Kuje prison.
Corruption, what is different? What is corruption? Is it not corruption? That money that you are not entitled to, you will go and be collecting it without even minding that that money was in excess of the money, the amount allowed by law. Is that not corruption? So he has been convicted, and then if by the time we get the judgment proper, we will still study the judgment and look at the other counts that he was discharged and acquitted.
Mr. Okupe is currently the Director General of the Labour Party Campaign Council, although he was expelled by the state chapter for allegedly not paying membership fees, high-handedness, and financial recklessness. He was, however, reinstated by the National Secretary of the party. Celestina Iria, TVC News, Abuja.